Hi everyone, welcome at another Plan With Me video. I'm going to decorate next week, so it's going to be very nice weather, so I'm going to go for a summer spread, maybe a combination of the Floral Beach and the summer stickers of the Season of Fun. Let me start with decorating. I'm going to start with the Floral Beach. I think I'm going to make a beachy one because a few spreads ago I really made a florals spread with this sticker book. So now I'm going to create a beachy one. Let's see where to start. I'm really loving like the little water and little scent. I'm really loving this, so I think I'm going to do something with that. Let me see. I'm going to start, I think I want to have the water here and the sand there. So let me see. And I might also using the Little Mermaid and Seahorse from this sticker book. Let me see where to start. I'm always also really loving this sticker. I always find it so hard to decide what the first sticker will be because the first sticker is like the start of the whole spread. I think I am going to use this one. I'm really not a perfect planner, so my stickers won't always be straight, just a little disclaimer. No, I'm not happy. Like if I'm going to add C here, then it's like, here's the scent already. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, like this is the wheels to struggle. I think I'm just going to have some C and maybe the pear from here. From the Season of Fun. No. Oh my god. Oh, I'm really someone that really can doubt about everything, even if it's just a spread. I think I'm just going to place some water here to start. And on different levels. I think the Floral Beach is really one of my favorite sticker books that I ever made. Let me add maybe some of the sea stuff, maybe here. Let me see. A little seahorse here. Okay, now I'm going to add some more water here. I think I'm done with the sea now. I'm just going to add some more seaweed and stuff. Some shells, maybe a little mermaid also. I'm really loving how it's starting to look like. Let me go back. Oh, there's so many pages with so many beautiful stuff. Let me see. What can I add? Oh yeah, some more of this stuff. I'm missing something here. Let me see what I can add there. Maybe a little floral, a little color. I'm already thinking about what I'm going to do here because I'm often using a lot of boxes because I have a lot of to fill. Okay. I think it's now missing something here, and then I think I'm done here. Okay, now I'm going to add the beach here, and then I'm going to start adding boxes. I'm normally really a fast, quick planner. I really like spreads using like bouquets and the bigger ones and adding them to the corners and then adding like the boxes in the middle. But maybe I'm also going to add some of these mountains. Let me see. I'm really going to use this sticker also, I think. So many stuff. Okay, I need to have safe space also for boxes and to write. Especially on Monday and Tuesday I have a lot of to do. Okay, maybe I'm going to add a long box there. From one of the decorative ones. I really like those. Here. Yeah. So then I will be having a little bit of florals. Okay. Now I'm going to add some boxes on every day. The most priority things I'm always writing in the boxes so they stand out. Well, I'm really not good at placing boxes in the right completely straight, but forgive me for that. I just don't have the patience to like place them perfectly. I'm also really excited to see you creating spreads with the Floral Beach and with the seasonal fun, and of course also using the functional boxes. I'm always loving seeing how my customers using using the sticker books. That's really like, then you realize what you're doing, like, and creating sticker books for people to use it. It's like always when I get tagged, I'm always loving to see what they're doing. I think I'm done. I'm really happy. So when it's Monday, I'm going to start filling up this spread. So this spread is created all with the Floral Beach sticker book, available to order in the web shop at planythingshop.com. I will also add a link in the description. I want to thank you for watching and see you at the next video. Bye!